Hey, what's going on, everybody? I was gonna make a Tennessee Titans clock, but the stencil I got is too big. Let me show y'all what I'm trying to do. I got my stencil right here. And I made my, went ahead and cut the parts for my clock and everything. But I can't get my stencil on my board unless I turn it kind of sideways. I don't know if that'll work or not. I don't know. If I cock it a little bit, maybe. I don't know what that'll look like. So I might order me some smaller stencils. To make this look good. Then I'm just gonna do this clock just a regular clock. I'm just gonna do it one color all the way. So I gotta order me some more stencils. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on this clock. I'm gonna do one color on it. I'm gonna see can I sell it. So stay tuned. Okay, so since this is gonna be my clock, I'm gonna go ahead and turn my stencil just a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my stencil just a little bit to make this stencil fit on this clock. But since it's my clock, so I can do that since it's mine. So I'm gonna go ahead and stain my wood. I'm gonna stain it a worn blue. Let me see, get out. A worn navy. It'd be close enough to the Titans color. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this stained up, and I'll come back. Okay, I got my design drawn on my clock. So this is what I'm looking like so far, y'all. This is gonna be a Tennessee Titans clock. So stay tuned. All right, I just got to put some polyurethane on my clock, on the base of it. So I just put it on now. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry. Then I'm gonna work on my other piece over here. Once this dry, then I'll be ready to put it together. That right there gonna be the face of my clock. Okay, I'm about to hook my mechanisms up for my hands and all this stuff like that, for my clock and everything. I'm about to go ahead and hook all that stuff up. So stay tuned. Okay, I got my mechanisms on. I'm going through putting my marks for my numbers and stuff like that. So this one, So I'm gonna go ahead and get these put on. Then I'm gonna come back. Okay, I came outside to my carport / workshop. I'm about to secure the clock part to my main body part on my clock. So I'm about to secure this part right here to this part right here. I'm gonna go over here and cut my compressor off. Then I'm gonna come back and nail this on. Okay, I got to go back and add my second hand to it. Put my little pendulum on, and maybe put me something on the back to hang it on the wall. It'll be a done deal. This is my Tennessee Titans clock. Okay, I got done with my Titans clock. I got it on the wall. Seems to be working okay. Let me show y'all. I hadn't set the time on it yet, but this is my one from yesterday. So this is the end of my video. Hit that like button, share, comment, subscribe. Peace out.